We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our extra easy baked ziti with our quick homemade sauce and 4 cheeses. Let's make the sauce first. It's ridiculously simple and can be made in a food processor, blender, or food mill. Simply blend canned whole tomatoes with garlic, basil, mascarpone cheese, or another creamy cheese, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Remember, full recipes with lots of tips for every video we share can always be found on Inspired Taste. So we've already used one type of cheese, but we love this to be extra cheesy, so grate some mozzarella cheese, Pecorino Romano cheese, which is salty and sharp, and Fontina cheese, which is nutty and melts really well. Now get some pasta cooking. We only partially cook the pasta, so check the package directions and cook for half the recommended time. In our case, that's about 5 minutes. When the pasta is cooked, save half a cup or so of the cooking water and then drain. Throw the drained pasta back into the pot and then mix everything together. Add the sauce from earlier, a splash of the reserved pasta water, as well as most of the shredded cheese. I like to save some for topping the baked ziti before baking. The mixture will look loose and saucy. That's a good thing. As the ziti bakes in the oven, the pasta will absorb some of that extra sauce. Transfer the pasta to a baking dish, and then top with the remaining cheese. Bake the ziti uncovered until it is bubbling and the cheese has melted. It doesn't take very long. And that's it. Extra easy, extra cheesy baked ziti. This one is a good one. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.